Welcome to our educational channel. So in this video, class 8th ICSE chemistry study material I will show here. So along with the ICSE curriculum, so IIT foundation level information also is providing here. So the entire syllabus in entire study material in PDF format. So you can take the links. You can see the links in description below. You can download. And let me show one or two chapter sample here. Let's take component carbonates compounds. Question bank and assignment I'll show here. So if you see the chapter, so this PDF file is around 16 pages. Now the entire information within this PDF copy. So along with the IIT foundation level. So apart from the ICSE syllabus, apart from ICSE curriculum, multiple choice questions, again objective type. So all the object type and short type answers, long type, including the answers, everything is available in this study material. And some short type questions also. You can see the links directly. You can see the links in description below. So question wise, so question answer, the short type, long answers. So entire the syllabus is covered in this. Okay, once they're perfect with the textbook and this question bank, we can conduct the test also using this assignments. Assignment test papers also we are providing. So if you see, this is 7 pages. So it's a chapter wise. Chapter wise, you can conduct the test instead of the whole. And if you give this worksheet, you can see. So again, in this true or false question wise. So the sample I'm showing, you can see the remaining also in the link in description below which I'm giving. So these assignments, if you give the child, we can see they are performing. And the solutions, answers I'm not providing here. You can see from textbook and the study material, right? Then only they not copy. So not only this, so apart from this class 8 ICSE chemistry, other information also available in this website. So you can see the link in description below, and all the PDF links also provided. Just to go to this website according to your requirement, you can take the choice to verification.